Hey dear team, this is Gio. Today we'll break down how to analyze price differences for XRP across different exchanges and how traders use this to optimize their trades. If this topic is interesting for you, click the like button and let's dive in. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice, just educational information. The cryptocurrency market is highly risky, so it's crucial to do your own research and assess all potential risks. What's the idea? XRP is a digital asset with high liquidity, and price can rise slightly across different trading platforms. Sometimes traders notice fluctuations in the range of 7–10%, which creates certain market opportunities. How does this process work? Step 1. Price analysis. To track real-time exchange rates, you can use XRP Scan service, link in the description. It helps to monitor price differences across exchanges and filter data for XRP-USDT pair. Step 2. Finding the optimal platforms. Some traders looking for platforms where the price is lower and consider buying there. However, it's important to factor in liquidity, fees, withdrawal speed, and other restrictions. Step 3. Buying XRP. For example, one trader buys XRP at a lower rate on one platform. It's recommended to start with small amounts to get familiar with the process. Step 4. Selling at a higher price. After purchasing, the trader can transfer the asset to another platform where the price is higher and sell it there. The result depends on market conditions, fees, and transaction speed. Step 5. Repeating the process. Some traders lock in profits in stablecoins and repeat the process when new market opportunities arise. Networks with low transaction fees are often used for fund transfers. Why is this interesting? No leverage is used, reducing the risk of liquidation. Price fluctuations create trading opportunities regardless of market direction. You can gradually learn how to create the process and adapt the strategy to your experience level. Important considerations. Withdrawal times can vary. Delays impact strategy efficiency. Fees matter. Trading, transfers, and withdrawal costs can reduce final profits. Start with small amounts to better understand the process and potential risks. Useful tools. XRP Scan to monitor exchange rates and identify price differences. Accounts on multiple exchanges to study price discrepancies. Attention and quick reactions. Market conditions change fast. If you found this material useful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss new breakdowns. Questions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next video. Cheers.